Away they go. Deadly Storm, Lake Cam, Manila, Don Ezequiel Danori inside Salvatore Pilio is racing on the outside, and number 4 Tempest running at the tail of the field. Lake in Manila from the outside. Deadly Storm Danori inside is Don Ezequiel Pilio is racing forward by about 5 lengths alongside Tempest Salvatore. Inside the last 800, Lake came Manila by a neck, followed by Don Ezequiel. Deadly Storm racing in third from the outside. Pilio is racing in fourth. And at the far turn, Lake came Manila by a neck, Don Ezequiel. Deadly Storm racing on the outside, and Pilio. As they race the last corner, Lake came Manila, Don Ezequiel, Deadly Storm, Pilio on the outside. But still Lake came Manila by about 2 lengths now, followed by Deadly Storm and Pilio on the farther outside. Lake came Manila, followed now by Pilio on the outside. But still Lake in Manila by about 2 lengths, followed by Pilio on the outside. And nearing the finish line, Lake came Manila, second Pilio. Led Deadly Storm, Don Ezequiel, Tempest, and Salvatore.